Learn 3 of the best electrical wire connection methods in one complete tutorial. In this video, I demonstrate how to connect wires using a WAGO connector, a terminal block, and the correct method for connecting copper and aluminum wires safely. These techniques are commonly used in electrical installation and repair work. Each method is explained step by step to help beginners, DIY enthusiasts, and electricians make stronger, cleaner, and more reliable electrical connections. Safety first, always switch off the power before working on electrical wiring. Use the correct tools and follow local electrical safety regulations. This video is intended for educational purposes only. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe to Volt 77, and share this video. More electrical wiring tutorials, repair tips, and DIY projects are coming soon.
Thank you.